Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video to analyze for you the Bitcoin. So as you see, guys, here, what the daily candle is doing here. And I tell it to you yesterday, there is no volume. And I show you all those things before. I told you there is no selling. As you see it here, there is nothing confirmed yet here. And today, the weekly candle is going to finish it, guys. So you need to make a close eye at the weekly candle, what it's going to tell you, guys. Because the weekly candle is going to tell you the right direction of the market. If we are going to fall down or we're going to hold, staying here in that level where we are. So till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. And here, as you see it, we still have here the downtrend. Or you can name it a wage or channel or whatever. Is the same thing, guys. So also we stay in here because today Sunday and yesterday Saturday, as majority of you know, there is no volume in the market, and the big players or the big whales, they are not in the market at those 2 days. So we stay in the market is only small players, those ones who like to day trade and scalp. And me and my chart, it's still everything the same, guys. As you see it, nothing was changed here. As you see it, when we touch here that yellow level here we got at 19,462, the Bitcoin is showing here have fallen down. And I told you here, down here, as you see it, you got a small trend line. So maybe it's going to fall down till it will touch it here in that level here. Then after that, you're going to see it going up. Maybe only till here, till the upper of that channel here. And we're going to see what's going to happen, guys. So maybe today by night, it's going to come from here, from that level where we are. It's going to fall down till here. Then after that, it's going to go till here, till that zone here. And after that, you're going to see it falling down more. Maybe it's going to fall down till here, till 17,207 or till 15K. We don't know exactly where is the bottom, guys. And no one will tell you exactly where is the bottom. Anyone who will tell you that, he just lying at you, guys. Also, we're just doing analysis. And when is it the right time for us to enter? We will enter. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. Everything still looking bad. And look with me here. What you seeing, guys? Here that the low. It give you here another high. It give you here another low here, as you see it. Because if you see that one here and that one here, that one here, is it low in that previous one? So that one is a low. It might down another high. Then after that, it's going to give you another low. But the only thing here it's showing, the momentum for going down is getting smaller and smaller. So there is no big volume to pushing down more. And that's what I told you. I told you in the previous videos, the big whales, they said they are not going to sell and they are not going to sell their Bitcoin. Is only those ones who want to sell, let them to sell. So now we try to push in now here. Is only the small players and those ones, they are not bigger, and the volume will tell you that. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be notified and updated about what the market doing right now, guys. It's very simple. A red button down, turn it to gray, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel to be notified more quicker. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came, it touched here that wall, and now it's showing a rejection is going down, guys. We don't know, maybe from here, from that level here, as you see it here, it's going to hold from here, then from here it's going to go up, or another story, maybe from here is going to fall down till it will touch in here that trend line. Then after that, we're going up, guys. So till now, there is no buying, guys. Also, we're still here down in the control of the bears, guys. And here, as you see it, look at it here, very close with me. Here, he give you a low and here a high. Now he need to come down and to give you another low, maybe till here, till that level. Also, we put it here at 35. I think everything is too clear, guys. So also we are not going to buy unless if it came here to the oversold, that's the right time for us to buy, guys. Now also it's still outside of that market, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And you started accumulating cash, guys. If you got cash, started put it in your broker and waiting. When is it the right time? You started buying, guys. Till now is not the right time. or you can do another thing, just DCA, guys. And that one is the best strategy for investors, guys, is the DCA. Because DCA, you don't care where is the bottom, you don't care where is the top. DCA is the best strategy, guys, for investors for a long time. And that one beat all the trading strategies, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here, our other indicator, guys. By the way, you, my friend, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Please go down and smash in the like button and write for us a comment, helping us, guys. Helping us to growing up more that channel. The growth of that channel is very slow, guys. Please helping us. It's very simple, guys. A like button, smash it, write in a comment. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. And thank you very much to all those ones that helping us, guys. Thank you very much to all those ones that helping us and they supporting us by liking the videos and writing for us comments. I really appreciate that, guys. You done it, my friend. Thank you very much. So as you see, guys, what I told you here, you got a divergence. If you remember, I tell it to you here. It's very clear divergence there. And even here, you got another one here. So now what it's left for that to be an entry level, guys. Because as you're seeing, guys, we are in a stronger level, yes. Our indicator, is it at the oversold and it give you here a divergence. What's it left? It's left the price action, guys. What is the price action here in the daily chart? Is it that one? If it doesn't come and breaking for us here, we are not going to enter, guys. It might all that to be just a trap, and that indicator of us from here to fall down more to the oversold, guys. And you see the price fall down more down till 15k or something like that. That way also we put in the third filter, which is the price action, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember what else we said about that level here, if you remember with us, what else we said about it? We said like that we make it, yes or no? And we make another one down here. And what we said, 5 up, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, and here 4. And the 5th one is here. Now here what it's indicating is going down, guys. Down how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. Now if it's going down, it's going to break, guys. If it's not, from here it will going up and it will break, guys. Should you enter now, guys? Not yet, guys. Why? Look with me. What else we said we got here in the 4 hours, guys? We said we got here that triangle like that, yes or no? That's what else we said in the previous videos, guys. And now it's showing maybe it will going down here. If it go down here, we'll waiting where it's going to break. If it's breaking down, you come here to that place and you make it like that. You calculate it and you make it like that. That means it's going to fall down till 15k, guys. If it came up and breaking here and breaking the 200 moving average, you do the same thing. It's going to go till here, till that level of 22,500, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, look with me here about our friend, what it's saying, guys. Here, look at it. What our friend saying, guys. Look at it. See any volume here? There is no volume, guys. Everything is flat. And that's what me I told you before. But what's going to happen now? Now you need to make a close eye what is coming, guys. It just came like that to that smaller one, and you do it like that, guys. You see where it's going to break in. Either to break up or to break down, guys. Even if you bring the Bollinger Band, people using Bollinger Band, you're going to find it now is getting very flat, guys, here. It gives you like a neck bottle, guys. So now there is a big volume coming, guys. We don't know where. Either up or either down, guys. You need to make a close eye what the coming days going to bring you, guys. And me, I think is going to happen when the unemployment rate of USA going to come, guys, because that is going to tell you if the policy the Fed of USA following is it good and it given good result or no. Because the Fed, he trying to hike interest rate for unemployment rate to get higher. That means people, they will losing the jobs of them. So people, they will not have money and they will go to make loans and those things. So that is going to bring the economic down. And that's what it's showing the stock market, the Nasdaq, the SP 500, everything it's showing, it's falling down. But the unemployment rate is the best measurement, guys. It's need, the Fed, it said, the target of them is 4.4 till 5%, guys. And they don't want it to go higher than 5%. So the unemployment rate is going to come that month. So you need to make a close eye at that. what is going to bring, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, there is nothing new here. Our indicator here, it's breaking the wall in the middle, guys. This means there is no buyers who can let it stay above that level here. That means the market, it's still controlled by the bears or the people they believe in the Bitcoin it will go higher. They are not a lot, guys. There is no buyers yet, guys. That's what me I'm telling you. People, majority of them, they are waiting the Bitcoin to go down, guys. That's what me I told you every time. If you got cash, start collecting cash more, guys. When is it the time? It's going to be the right time for you to buy, guys, from down. And that's what it's showing you here, our indicator. It's showing you buyers, even if it's break here, there is no big volume here to leave it above. And look at that, guys. So the only time when it came up here, it doesn't stay long here. Very quick, then it fall down here. And if you see that indicator of us, if you go back to buy it to the time, what you're going to see, guys, let's go back like that. What you're seeing, guys, is spend most of the time down, guys. He just came up very quick, then he fall down, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't stay above for long, guys. That's what it's indicating to you, guys. It's indicating us we are in a downtrend. And look at here. Here, we used to have here a trend line. It break it here in that level. So what that indicating, guys? That is indicating it's going down. More down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, when he touch here the overbought, here exactly us we taking profit, and the people that been with us, they remember that. Now what it's showing here, it's going here to the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? And that's what me I told you. I told you it's waiting down here. Maybe down here, maybe it's going to go to 15k. Also, we don't care. That's for swing trader and positional trader, guys. When it's going to become here at the oversold, we're going to looking for buy opportunity. Till here, we're taking some profit, guys. Till now, it's not yet. Is it in the middle? In the middle, us just sitting backward. And we're looking at the chart, guys. We don't doing nothing. That's why I told you subscribe to our channel. So when is it something new, guys? We put it for you here. When is it as a buying signal for the Bitcoin? We just put it here in that channel, guys. Did you subscribe, my friend? Welcome to the family, guys. So as I tell it to you, till now, it's not yet, guys. It's still more room to fall down. So I think that one is going to fall down more, guys. That's the clear picture there. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, if you remember what I told you in the last video. I told you, look at it here. It gives you here a very clear flag. Yes or no? Look at that. What that indicating, guys? That is a bear flag. If it's breaking here, it's going to fall down more, guys. It's going to fall down at least to that level here. Yes or no? Not me, I told you if it's breaking up here, we enter long. Did it break? Not yet, guys. And who going to tell us if we're going to enter long or no? Is our indicator, guys. And what you see on here? Here, what you seeing, guys? Look with me. Zoom it out like that for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Look at the 200 moving average. Look at it, what it's doing here. I tell it that to you before. I told you the market is always doing like that. Then there is a resting level, then another falling or going up. Yes or no, guys? Now what it doing here? It's a resting level, guys. There is no buying, no selling now. Now, should we enter long? Should we not? We're going to tell us. It's our indicator, guys. Let's see it, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. You are at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? Level, you are in a stronger level. I'll show it that to you, that level here. In the previous videos, guys, that one. Third things, what is it? The price action, guys, where is it? Is it that channel? May I show it to you? Here. So now, if that one came and break in here, you enter long, guys. Take profit where it's going to be. Here at the last high, guys. Here. Exactly here. That last peak here. That's where you take profit. Stop loss. You put it down in that level here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it and the weekly candle finish it for the Bitcoin, guys. Bye for now, guys.